Here's a quick video showing how to print by object in Bambu Studio. This is a huge time saver when you have to print multiple items but in different colors and you don't want to print them separately. If they're small enough, you can place them in the build plate far enough from each other so you can avoid problems with the extruder hitting other objects. Here's a tip. If printing more than one thing per color, combine them together and the slicer would treat it as one object. Then separate them and you won't have any problems. Here I need to print 4 of these keycaps, 2 in pink, 2 in black. I'll clone it and then separate them out. Change the colors, and this part is key. Combine the same color keycaps together. Then you can use the arrange button to have the slicer separate them or move them around yourself. Let's look at the difference in filament changes and time to print. Now let's turn on print by object. Make sure you're in global, then go to others, and in print sequence, change that to by object. Let's rearrange the build plate again. Now reslice and look at the difference. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Happy printing!